So after making certain changes inside my campaign, like whatever words I was using, I just changed those words. Then Facebook ad expert, Facebook ads team just approved my ads, and I'm so happy for that. And you can see now my ads is running now. It's active now. They just approved my ad, and previously I was getting like my ads got rejected. Now it's being accepted and it's now actively running. You can see the green button. So I will suggest you people also, whenever you just get uh, any error, like we cannot accept these things, because of this your ads get rejected, then just try to change those, try to work on the errors which Facebook people have given you, and try to rectify those mistakes which you just did in the previous campaign, and then again publish it with the changes. Then I think they will accept your campaign and it will start running. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. So if you like it, please hit a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.